Hey friends, my name is Kaka, and I have a little coaching tip for you. When you organize a training session, remember no lines, no laps, and no lectures. First of all, no lines. If you have an activity that everybody can participate in, set it up so that they can participate. Try to avoid having people standing around and waiting to participate. It's fine if you're recovering from your work, but if you're recovered, you should be continuing to work. No laps. If you're warming up, don't just do so mindlessly, running laps around the field or skating laps around the track. Make that work functional. Incorporate stops, changes of direction, skills. Incorporate that into your warm-up so it's more meaningful. And lastly, no lectures. It's best if you have an eager group of people that are ready to train to get them out on the track or get them out on the field training as soon as possible. Give them the parameters of the game that you're trying to get, a few tips, and then get them started. And if they're struggling, when they need a break, when they need a rest, continue to give them more information to help them with the skill. Good luck, coaches.